Do you ever wonder how many golden years you truly have left? After 70, every sunrise feels like a gift. But here's the truth. Your body is already whispering clues about your longevity. Some people in their 70s are hiking mountains, while others struggle to get off the couch. What's the difference? It's not just luck. It's hidden in plain sight. Today, in this video, we'll uncover 7 surprising signs scientists say can predict how long and how well you'll live after 70. These aren't old wives' tales. They're backed by research. And the best part? Most are within your control. Stay until the end, because the last one might shock you. Now, let's get started. Sign number 1, the chair test. Here's a simple test. Sit in a chair, arms crossed, then stand up without using your hands. Can you do it smoothly? Researchers found that people who struggle with this are 5 times more likely to face serious health risks in the next decade. Why? Because your legs are your foundation. Weakness here hints at muscle loss, poor balance, or even heart trouble. But here's the good news. Strength can be rebuilt at any age. Try this. Practice sitting and standing 10 times daily. Add ankle weights if it's easy. Your future self will thank you. Sign number 2, your handy secret. Next time you shake hands, pay attention. Studies show your grip strength predicts longevity better than blood pressure tests. A weak grip is linked to higher risks of heart disease and frailty. Think of it as your body's check engine light. Try this. Squeeze a stress ball while watching TV, or carry groceries instead of using a cart. Even kneading bread dough counts. Strong hands mean a strong body. It's that simple. Sign number 3, the 10-second balance challenge. Stand on one foot like a flamingo for 10 seconds. Could you do it? If not, listen up. Poor balance triples your risk of dangerous falls, the number 1 cause of injury in seniors. But balance isn't just about not tipping over. It's a window into your brain health. Boost yours with tree pose while brushing your teeth or walking heel to toe down the hallway. Pro tip, do it near a countertop for safety. Sign number 4, your nightly repair mode. Tossing and turning? Bad sleep isn't just annoying. It ages your brain faster. Deep sleep is when your body repairs cells and clears toxins. Missing it? You're missing longevity. Fix it naturally. Drink tart cherry juice before bed. Science says it helps. Keep your bedroom at 65 degrees Fahrenheit, the magic temperature for sleep. Ditch the late news. Blue light wrecks sleep hormones. Sign number 5, the appetite alarm. If food just doesn't excite you anymore, pay attention. Losing your appetite after 70 often signals trouble. Your body might not absorb nutrients well. But here's a trick. Eat with others. Social meals boost intake by 30%. Also, spice things up literally. Cinnamon and ginger revive taste buds dulled by age. Warning, unplanned weight loss? Tell your doctor as soon as possible. Sign number 6, stress whispers. Chronic stress shrinks your brain's memory center. But here's the kicker. How you react to stress matters more than the stress itself. Centenarians share one trait. They let go fast. Try the 5-5-5 rule. When stressed, name 5 things you see, 5 sounds you hear, and move 5 body parts. It resets your nervous system instantly. Sign number 7, the friendship factor. This one's powerful. Strong social ties add more years than quitting smoking. Loneliness is deadlier than obesity. But here's a secret. It's quality over quantity. One deep chat weekly beats 100 shallow ones. Not social? Adopt a pet. Studies show that pet owners live longer. Or call an old friend today. It's never too late. You've just learned the 7 signs. But remember, knowledge only matters if you use it. Pick just one area to work on this week. Take that first small step toward a stronger, longer life. Which sign surprised you the most? Please type sign number in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't keep this to yourself. Share this video with a friend or loved one. Because longevity isn't a solo journey. It's better together. Please hit that subscribe button for more wisdom videos on health and aging well. Growing older is inevitable. Growing frail? That's optional. And the choice is yours.